Welcome back to freeCodeCamp's Applied Visual Design section, and this is Create a Graphic using CSS. By manipulating different selectors and properties, you can make interesting shapes. One of the easier ones to try is a crescent moon shape. For this challenge, you need to work with the box shadow property that sets the shadow of an element, along with the border radius property that controls the roundness of the element's corners. You will create a round, transparent object with a crisp shadow that is slightly offset to the side. The shadow is actually going to be the moon shape you see. In order to create a round object, the border radius property should be set to a value of 50%. You may recall from an earlier challenge that the box shadow property takes values for offset X, offset Y, blur radius, spread radius, and a color value in that order. The blur radius and spread radius values are optional. Manipulate the square element in the editor to create the moon shape. First, change the background color to transparent, then set the border radius property to 50% to make the circular shape. Finally, change the box shadow property to set the offset X to 25 pixels, the offset Y to 10 pixels, blur radius and spread radius 0, and the color blue. So first thing, said background color transparent, as we see it was applied. Next was border radius 50%, then box shadow 25 and 10, but then 0 and 0, and finally color blue. Run test, and we did pass. That one was pretty awesome. That's one of the ones you'll just practice with. We were able to create this moon shape here by adding this transparent background, border radius 50%, and then that box shadow. I'm sure there's many more cool graphics we can create. Probably could create anything if done correctly. I'll leave you guys to practice with that one, and I'll see you in the next video.